Well, Karan Bahadur, principal at Colonel's Academy in a containment town near Indore, said, I think we should not call students back to school in these times when cases are going through the roof. In my school, we are not thinking of calling students this month. We want to wait for some time and see. Whenever we do ask students to come back, we will seek an NOC, that is, no objection certificate from parents. While the Ministry of Education had in July held a virtual meeting with all states asking about their preparedness to reopen schools, at the time more than half the states were undecided on a schedule. But Delhi, Haryana and Karnataka among others said they were ready to reopen schools between August and September. Well, to join us we have a parent Sharma on call. Hello Sharma.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Are you able to get me?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Is it audible, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, yes. I am able to hear you, but what about
Yes,
you? Are you getting my
like
voice?
Mr. Sharma, like how much they are charging you? Like, do they asking you for a fee for online classes?
Yes. Actually, the fee structure here has been quite exorbitant. That too in the wake of this COVID, it is becoming really very difficult for the parents to cope up with this particular type of education.
Okay.
So it's a kind of bothersomeness added to the economic trials and tribulations which are already being faced by so many people across the twin states, and not only here, across the country. So the parents are really worried as to how they have to really continue the education of their children this particular academic year. Already half of it is over, and whatever is remaining, there is so much of confusion, and the reopening has not yet been decided by the union government, and the states, the private institutions in the states are really pressing the parents hard for paying the entire fee, or in some cases they are gracious enough
Okay.
to give some time, like in possible 2 or 3 installments. But whatever it is, the total amount has not yet been decreased, and this shows that this is going to be pretty difficult on the part of the parents to come to terms with this type of pressure from the authorities, because they have to take into consideration the other factors, like most of the parents are sacrificing their professional hours for the upkeep of the children, and
Yeah.
most of the parents have also lost jobs
Yes.
due to this COVID pandemic. So
Yes,
it's
Sharma.
really a very difficult situation. I hope you will agree with me.
So, Sharma, like as we can see, the Health Ministry on Tuesday released guidelines for partial opening of schools
Yes.
and directed that visits will need to be organized in a staggered manner. So, what can you tell on this?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty difficult because
Yes.
taking into consideration the secondary wave and the spike which we are seeing with respect to the corona everywhere,
Mm.
I don't think it is quite possible for the authorities to reopen the schools so soon, because the children being so tender.
Mm.
That too, when we take into consideration the primary and the senior level of students, it's going to be pretty hard for the students
Yes.
to cope up with this particular situation.
So, Sharma, do you think that they are charging online fees for you, and do you think they will ask more for directly if they go to schools? More
Yeah,
fee.
that's going to be actually the part which the parents are facing now, that
Yes.
the difficult part is that
Mm.
the online itself requires so many gadgets, the
Mm.
Wi-Fi connectivity and so many other things
Mm.
for the parent to provide to the student to get in tune with those Zoom meetings.
Mm.
So already that has been heavy on the parents, and added to that the authorities are saying that they have to procure textbooks from the schools
Yes.
at a fixed price
Mm.
with no discount or anything, even in
Mm.
this particular scenario also.
So
So
as
that is
said
again
by
the secondary thing.
yes, Sharma. So as said by government, only schools outside the containment zones will be allowed to open, right?
Yes,
While students or teachers living in containment zones won't be allowed to return to campuses. So does
definitely.
this containment zone children will be affected for the education, right?
Definitely, because the
Mm.
containment zone itself shows that there is a high risk of COVID,
Mm.
and the parents naturally must be worried about the basic survival of the
Yes.
family.
Yes. Yes.
So that comes to their mind first, and regarding this education also, they will be pretty much worried, because
Mm.
all these days they were sending their wards to the school in a predefined manner, but now everything has been disturbed
Mm.
due to this pandemic. So they are thinking as to how they have to really work through this particular academic year, whether to send the children to some type of education once the containment, those, I mean, the ban on the particular area
Yes.
is lifted,
Mm.
or will it continue even for some more time? Nothing is clear to anybody. So
Yes.
it's a kind of fix they are facing presently.
So, though the schools have been directed to sanitize their premises, especially like buildings that are served quarantine centers, even though they are deep clean, the parents are worrying, right?
Yes, yes.
As
Definitely,
their children will be into high risk due to this COVID.
yes, that is always there, because the school is a place where children try to mingle with
Yes.
each other naturally, and left to themselves, they have a tendency to pick up each other and to play with each other.
Mm.
So that's a natural trait of the children, and in this particular scenario, to follow the physical distance, that is social distancing, will be very difficult for the children, young children especially. And for the teachers also, they cannot keep focus on all the children all the time.
Yes.
Naturally, they have their own duties to attend, so sometimes something can happen, and these children also might mix with each other, and during the lunch hours or during some type of recess time, there will be some type of difficulty, and even during the classroom also, touching particular objects or textbooks, or taking some paper from the teacher, or some contact with some iron substance
So,
or metal
Sharma,
or
like,
something
what
else
if
will be
what
difficult.
if a student like if he is into developing a symptoms of corona, he will be isolated in a separate area.
Yeah, definitely he has to be isolated, because the children will spread the disease quite freely,
Yes.
quite quickly compared
Yes.
to the elders.
Yes. Yes.
That's why the children have to be protected, they have to be screened, they have to be isolated, and they
Yes.
have to be given medication at the earliest, because
Yes.
their immunity will be very low compared to the adults. So special care should be shown towards such children, and they should be kept in a kind of ambience where they really feel confident enough to recover also.
Mm.
So all these things have to be done with respect to the children. It's a very, very difficult task, because the one who is affected with COVID,
Mm.
more than the physical assault upon him, he will have a kind of psychological depression prevailing upon him, because it's a kind of social stigma nowadays.
Mm.
So all these things have to be borne by the parents. That is
Yes.
why this is called a real testing time for parents everywhere.
So that would be fine if entry and exit points will be in multiple number, right?
Yeah, that is
Yes.
one of the best ways to
Yes.
contain this particular kind of pandemic, because
Yes.
instead of allowing one or two ways, it's better they open up multiple ways, so that children
Yes.
can easily
Like
pass
checking
through.
temperature and sanitizing them.
Definitely, thermal guns should
Yes,
be
yes,
installed
exactly.
at all the portal points, so that the temperature readings are taken quite periodically, and those who are showing some types of symptoms
Yes.
be given some kind of medical advice
Yes.
then and there, so that if these symptoms could or might lead to this particular corona or not, that would be decided by the medical authority present
Yes.
there.
So like the schools are starting like September 21st. So what if like all the will they allow all the 100% of students into the school, or like 50% of the students will be in the school, like teaching staff also, non-teaching staff also?
I think with respect to the teaching faculty also,
Mm.
I don't think 100% attendance will be there.
Yes.
And with respect to the students, there will be according to my expectations, it will be lesser than 50%
Yes,
because
yes, exactly.
most of the parents are scared. They are terribly afraid to send their children to the school.
Yes.
They are ready to forego one particular academic year
Mm.
for the health and for the upkeep of the children.
Mm.
That is why I don't think most of the students or children will be sent to the school this academic year.
Mm.
Parents are really worried about them. And
Yes.
those who are sending their children to the particular school also will be carrying a wave of worrisomeness in their minds because the situation is very serious. Nothing has come to terms as yet. So the pandemic is spreading like a wildfire even now. So many cases are getting registered. Only thing is, since we have got a kind of habituation with that pandemic for quite 5 to 6 months, we feel that something is normal. But the things are as usual, as they were before only, with little change.
Well, Sharma, what if like a student travels in a public transport? Is it that
Yes.
safe?
In these particular conditions, I don't think it is good to travel in a group
Yes.
because generally they were commuted by a person.
Mm.
Some 5 to 6 students in a group will be taken from their house to the school
Mm.
in the earlier days, in the normal time.
Yes.
But now I don't think that that practice is good enough presently because the person who is in charge of that transportation or logistics
Yes.
will not be in a position to manage the children properly.
Yes. That's highly
And one more
impossible.
thing.
Yes.
Highly impossible.
Yes,
And one
yes.
more thing, his level of awareness will be very low.
Yes. Exactly.
That's why it's like putting our children into greater risk
Yes.
by
And the
giving their
sharing of
gadget to
notebooks, pens from the other students is highly prohibited, right?
Definitely.
Yes.
What you have mentioned is really at the back
Yes.
of the mind of every parent.
Yes, Sharma.
All these things are really very, very critical. They appear to be very small,
Yes.
but their consequences are
Mm.
so huge, so fatal, and so deterministic.
Yes. Right, Sharma. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Right. Well, apart from these, social distancing makers have to be put up both inside and outside the school premises, such as in staff rooms, reception and office areas, mess, libraries and cafeterias. In case weather permits, teacher-student interactions can be held outdoors, the guidelines suggest. However, sports and other events will remain suspended. Masks must be worn at all times.